സാക്ഷ്യവുമായി പോയിടാം നാം യേശുവിനായി സാക്ഷികളായിടാം പോയിടാം നാം.
A reading from the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 9. Listen, Israel, you are to cross the Jordan today to take the land of greater and stronger nations than yourself, nations with grand cities whose walls reach up to heaven. They are a great people, they are tall. The Anakites, whom you have seen and of whom you have heard it, said that nothing can come over them. But today you will see Yahweh, your God, crossing the Jordan before you. He will destroy them all, and he will subject them to you. Then you will seize the land from them and make them perish, as Yahweh promised you. When Yahweh, your God, has destroyed them in your presence, do not think, Yahweh brought me to this land and gave it to me because of my goodness. Yahweh drove those nations out because of their wickedness. It's not because of your merits, nor because of your good, that you will conquer the land. Yahweh will deprive them of the land because they have done evil, and also to fulfill the promise he swore to your ancestors, to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Now, therefore, that Yahweh has given you your inheritance, this excellent land, not because of any merit of yours, since you are a rebellious people, remember and do not forget that it was because you rebelled that Yahweh became angry with you in the desert. For you have been rebellious towards Yahweh from the day you left Egypt until you arrived here. Then at Horeb you provoked his anger, and he was ready to destroy you. When I went up the mountain to receive the tablets of stone, the tablets of the covenant that Yahweh made with you, I stayed on the mountain for 40 days and 40 nights without eating or drinking. And Yahweh gave me the 2 tablets of stone, written with his finger, containing all the words that he had told you on the mountain from the midst of the fire on the day of the assembly. And when Yahweh gave me the 2 tablets of stone, the tablets of the covenant, at the end of the 40 days and 40 nights, he said to me, Go down from this mountain at once, because your people whom you brought out from Egypt have become corrupt. They have suddenly abandoned the way that I taught them, and they have made an idol for themselves. And Yahweh also said to me that I see this people, they are rebellious people. Let me alone, and I will destroy them and wipe out the name under heaven. And out of you I will make another people more numerous and greater than they. I therefore went down from the mountain, from the summit, which was burning, holding in my hands and the 2 tablets of covenant. And I saw that you have sinned against Yahweh your God, and that you have made a molten calf. How suddenly had you turned aside from the way which Yahweh had taught you. Holding the 2 tablets with both hands, I hurled them down and broke them into pieces in the sight of all. Then I fell prostrate before Yahweh as before, and I passed 40 days and 40 nights without eating or drinking from the sin which you had committed by doing evil in the sight of Yahweh and arousing his anger. I was afraid that the wrath and anger of Yahweh against you had reached the point that he wanted to destroy you, and Yahweh listened to me once more. Yahweh was also very angry with Aaron, he was ready to destroy him. In the same way I interceded for Aaron also. Regarding the sin, that calf which you had made, I threw it in the fire, broke it into pieces, and ground it until it was fine as dust. Then I threw the dust into the brook that flows down from the mountain. At Tabarah and the Massa and at Kibroth Hatava you provoked the wrath of Yahweh. And when he wanted you to leave Kadesh Barnea, saying, Go up and take possession of the land that I have given you, you rebelled again. You did not believe Yahweh, nor did you want to listen to his voice. You have been rebellious against Yahweh ever since I have known you. So I lay prostrate before Yahweh for 40 days and 40 nights, because he said he would destroy you. I prayed to Yahweh and said to him, O Lord God, do not destroy your people and your inheritance, whom you redeemed with your might, whom you brought out of Egypt with the strength of your hand. Remember your servants, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Do not look onto the stubbornness of this people, or on their wickedness, or on their sins, that it may not be said, in the land from which you brought us out, Yahweh was not able to bring them to the land which he had promised them. He does not like them, so he brought them out of Egypt to slay them in the desert. Do not forget that they were your people and your possession, whom you brought out of Egypt with great power and outstretched arm. This is the word of the Lord.
പോയിടാം നാം ലോകം